it's up. Like there's new items. So, oh, it's not in there. Oh my gosh, I bought one. Wait, there's a pink? I'm gonna go check. Yeah, there's a pink. I want the pink. So there's a star hat. Oh, there's colors. I had that one, but I deleted it or traded it away. Nothing new is here. New cheese. And what's this one if you want to add? So, let's explore. So, just to remind you, there's like barely stuff on no matter. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 animals. So, and yes, I'm not gonna trade you. That's no good stuff. Well, I want that left towards, but I don't wanna. So, I was doing something, but this person kept bothering me. Oh, I forgot you. My collection. See, I forgot you. Forgot my. That's not shit collection. So if you want to get me, just my user's Jammer to VFB here. So that's my user. So yeah. Bye.